Welcome to this quick guide on pulling energy cords. Energy cords form between people and can carry unhealthy emotional attachments and energies from others. Pulling these cords helps release these attachments, restoring your energy balance and enhancing your emotional well-being. Begin by grounding yourself. Standing comfortably, close your eyes and take some deep, slow breaths. Visualize roots extending from your feet deep into the earth. Tune into your body. Feel any areas of tension, heaviness, or pulling. These sensations can help you detect the presence of energy cords. Using your hands in a sweeping motion, feel along the outside of your body until you feel a heaviness or pull. Gently grasp that energy cord and feel its connection to your body. Firmly, yet gently, pull the cord away from your body. As you release the cord, visualize the area filling with healing bright light. Then seal the end of the cord and send love and light back to the source of the cord, facilitating healing not only for yourself but also for the person at the other end. It is important to pull rather than cut cords. Cutting can leave residual energy or fragments, which might lead to quicker reattachment or incomplete healing. Pulling ensures a thorough clearing and loving release, promoting better healing and closure. Seal the process by sweeping your hand over the spot, sending it healing light. Breathing deeply and release any lingering tension. Set the intention that the original cord is reconnected back to source to facilitate the healing of the other person. Repeat as needed to keep your energy clean and balanced. Remember, the practice of pulling energy cords is a personal and powerful way to maintain your spiritual health.